Episode 3: Family Houses, Land Disputes, and the Myth of the Eldest Son. Today, we will discuss one of the most hotly contested areas in inheritance matters, the family house and the role of the eldest son. The cultural belief versus legal reality. In many Nigerian families, there is a widespread belief that the eldest son automatically inherits the family house and becomes the new head of the family. But is this belief supported by law? Let's find out. 1. What is the family house? It could be the house the father built and lived in before his death. It may also be ancestral property, passed down through generations. This is often the most emotionally and financially valuable property in the estate. 2. Customary practices. Among the Igbo, the eldest son, called Diokpala, often inherits the family compound and is expected to care for younger siblings and manage family affairs. But this can exclude daughters and widows, leading to disputes. Among the Yoruba, the property may be shared under Idi-Igi or Ori-Ojiri systems. The eldest son may become the caretaker, not the owner, of the family property. Among the Edo or Ijaw, similar patterns of patrilineal inheritance apply, but women are gaining recognition in modern court rulings. 3. Modern law versus custom. Today, Nigerian courts have made several rulings that overrule discriminatory customs, especially those that deny daughters any share of land or buildings, ignore the rights of widows, give the eldest son automatic and total control. The Supreme Court has declared in several cases that customs that discriminate based on gender are repugnant to natural justice and should not be followed. 4. Does the eldest son have automatic ownership? No, not unless the father wrote a valid will stating that the eldest son should own the house, or the house is confirmed to be family, ancestral property under customary law. Even then, the eldest son holds the property in trust for the family, not for himself alone. 5. When is a house considered family property? A house becomes family property when it was inherited from the grandfather or great-grandfather, or it was built using contributions from multiple family members. But if a man personally built the house during his lifetime, and especially if he married under the Marriage Act, that house is his private property, not family property. His widow and children have legal rights to it under the administration of estates law. Real-life example. Mr. Akeke died in Enugu, leaving behind a wife, 3 sons, and 2 daughters. He built a 5-bedroom bungalow in town but left no will. His eldest son chased the mother and sisters away, claiming the house was his as first son. What does the law say? Under statutory law, the house is part of Mr. Akeke's estate and must be shared equally among the children and widow. The eldest son has no special right. Key court position. In Ukeji vs. Ukeji, 2014, the Supreme Court held that denying daughters inheritance based on Igbo custom was unconstitutional. Issue was whether the Igbo customary law that excludes female children from inheriting their father's estate is valid under the Nigerian constitution. The Supreme Court unanimously held that the Igbo customary law denying female children the right to inherit their father's estate is discriminatory and void, as it contravenes Section 42, 1 and 2, of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This case confirmed that male and female children have equal rights to their father's property. Conclusion: there is no law in Nigeria that says, eldest son inherits all. That belief is cultural, not legal. It has caused many family breakups and should be discarded. If a father wants his first son to inherit the house, he should write it in a valid will. Otherwise, the law will ensure fair distribution. In episode 4, we'll look at how to challenge a suspicious will in court, and the signs of fraud, undue influence, or forgery.
Legal Guide TV call to action, short and simple. Stay informed, stay protected. Like, share and subscribe to Legal Guide TV for real-life legal stories and simple explanations of your rights under Nigerian law. Don't just guess, know the law.